Hey friends, it's your pal Arty Loon here, and welcome to your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit tutorial, where I take you step by step through every single magic trick and show you the ins and outs of what it takes to be an amazing magician. I'm super excited to be here. Let's get your lesson started now. Congratulations on receiving your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit. What you'll receive is your famous ZigZag pencil, your mystery spot trick, and your floating match trick. Not just that, you'll also receive a booklet with 50 additional magic tricks you can learn from household items. Welcome to your first lesson, your ZigZag pencil. Watch the pencil. Place it into its little compartment. Here we go. All we do is give it a twist and a pull, and your pencil is now in 3 pieces. But watch this. A little wave, and here we go. Your pencil, with a little twist, is right back together. I'm going to teach you how this works. Stick around. So what you have here is your magic box and your little plastic pencil. All right, you ready for the secret? Here's the secret to the ZigZag pencil. The pencil is a plastic pencil, pretty normal there. But if you look at your box, you'll see there are actually 3 separate hidden compartments inside the little box, where your duplicate pencil that's already in 3 pieces are. Just here. When you push them back, the little pencil pieces go back into their compartments. So it only looks like your pencil goes into 3 pieces. Pretty easy, right? Now, here comes your lesson. Place the pencil into the box eraser first, with the pointy sides towards you. You then hold on tightly and pull the very center very quickly to the left. The compartments then switch places, showing the little hidden pieces that were hidden in the box earlier. To restore it, you just push it back and give it a little twist, pour the pencil out to your hand, and receive your applause. Thank you once again for joining us here on your official Magic Kit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed all those fun magic tricks, and we hope to see you guys again next time.